Hello guys, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I just now OpenAI Dev Day opening keynote where the CEO of OpenAI has made some, trust me in this, when I say amazing announcements, these are like wow, what all features, what all products that they are probably going to come up in OpenAI itself with respect to GPT-3, GPT 3.5, GPT-4, the recent version of GPT-4. I think now it has already been included in ChatGPT. Some amazing updates with respect to different products. So let me just go ahead and probably talk about it in quick 4 to 5 minutes. Okay. So first of all, I hope everybody may be using GPT-4. Now in GPT-4, it was very costly. So what they did is that they optimized GPT-4 and they came up with another model which is called a GPT-4 Turbo, and now the cost has been reduced somewhere like to 3 times approximately. If I say, it is somewhere around 2.75 times, which is quite amazing. And this was the announcement that was specifically made. Not only that, guys, if I talk about with respect to the data, okay, so this was also another major update. So GPT-4, GPT 3.5 was trained till September 2021 data. But now this GPT-4 Turbo is now updated till April 2023 data. That basically means if I, before it used to not give an answer like who is Krish Nayak. Now if I go ahead and ask who is Krish Nayak, I just did also, and it was able to give the entire precise information. So the internet data, with respect to the internet data, now you'll be able to get all the information till April 2023. This was the second update. Now the third update is the super amazing one, right? Why? I'll give you a reason behind that. Now see, Apple Store, right? It has various apps. Over there, the developers who are building that, the companies who are building any kinds of app, they get paid in a revenue sharing basis from Apple itself. Now, ChatGPT or OpenAI is also coming up with something called as GPT DevStore. That basically means now you can create your own custom chatbot without writing any code by using this GPT models itself. Isn't it amazing? That basically means if you have your data, let's say I am an amazing cook and I want to probably create my own custom chatbot with the help of GPT. So what I will do, I will say, okay, how to probably cook tandoori chicken, let's say, or butter chicken. So I know all the ingredients that is specifically required. I will go ahead and update those. Now, if you follow me, if you like me as a cook, so what you will do, you'll go ahead and probably check out those specific custom chatbots itself from the GPT Dev Store. And then if you're paying money for that, what will happen? Revenue sharing will go with respect to the creator and the OpenAI itself. And like this, right now, there are 0 apps. They have announced it probably in a month or time. What will happen is that many people will start creating this. And this looks like an amazing opportunity, right? Now you can create your own custom app. You can create your own custom tool without any coding. That is also an amazing thing. I feel sad for those companies who are probably creating their own AI tools by using this GPT tools itself, GPT models itself. Right? They're creating their own AI tools, which specifically does all this stuff. I feel bad for them. Why? Because now, without writing any code, you can directly do it from ChatGPT itself. But I don't know right now how it looks like, but this was the major announcement that was actually made. But this really looks scary. But just imagine the thought process, guys. Like this is so far. I think they've crossed Google Bard and all everything. Whatever they're thinking, this really is kind of a revolutionary idea, I can say, right? So here they're creating a marketplace for the entire GPT apps itself, like a dev store, you can probably say, right? And one more amazing news was there that they're planning to merge all the APIs. Like right now, there are models like GPT 3.5, GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo, right? Right now it has come. Then there's DALI for sound, for this, for text. Another APIs are there. Now all they're going to combine them as a single API itself. Now when you're using that, you can use everything together. Right now, you'll be seeing that probably I want to use code interpreter. So I have to enable that particular plugin and then probably start it. It asks me what kind of model I have to probably use. I have to probably do all those things. But now you don't have to do that. Probably in the upcoming couple of months, they're going to merge everything in a single API. Now this last one update. And there are a lot of minor updates as such, but this last one is quite amazing. Now, all the companies who are specifically using GPT or OpenAI GPT models, let's say for any kind of task, if plagiarism comes, right, they are going to make sure OpenAI will take that entire blame. right? If they have to probably pay money, they will pay. So they're so sure about the product that any kind of plagiarism may also not come. And they have actually taken it from the entire client, the client who are specifically using these GPT models, right? They've told that none of the cases will come to you. Instead, they'll come to them and they will try to fix it. If money needs to be paid, they will pay. See how confident they are with respect to their product. So this is all the important updates, and I'll just show you how things look like, So let's say this, I'll probably post this article in the description of this particular video. This is how you're going to probably create your own custom GPT apps itself. See over here, Starry Tales is one. So this is one image, and one more. This is how an app store will look like for AI, right? So suppose I am a cook, so I may have a Indian cook app over here, right? So any person can probably use it. Such an amazing announcement. Just imagine, guys. This is really, really amazing to see just all these things that are happening. I hope so, and with respect to you, you should also look for opportunities. Wherever you find you can do something better, wherever you think you can come up with an idea and start your business, you should definitely do. So I hope you like this particular video. This was it from my side. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one doll. Take care. Bye-bye.